118.
So our time limit is up. They didn't really kick us out or anything, but we're gonna go do another tour. But they just brought the crab legs out.
We're gonna change outfit. We're changing outfits. And coming back.
They just brought the crab legs out. We have to go already. V and I are going to give you a little tour of Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. This is literally one of our favorite buffets just because it has everything for everyone. So you cannot leave here hungry. We highly recommend that you make reservations. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you're not able to make reservations, they still do accept walk-ins, but I recommend going right when they open. This area is a seafood area. Out of these dishes, the egg benedict at the end was one of my fave. They have a huge seafood boil if you want some warm seafood, right next to the butter. If you watch my past Instagram stories on Bacchanal Buffet, you guys know that the sweet cocktail shrimp is my fave. Now in the back corner of the buffet, this is the Asian area with a lot of entrees that are familiar. Marinated meats, fried rices, seafood dishes. You can also find some Asian condiments in this area to make your own sauces. There's some Korean short ribs and chicken wings with some pickled vegetables for side dishes. We got some edamame, some poke bowls, and some sushi in this section. I like to come to this area because it has the Thai chili peppers, but they also have snails and coconut sauce, crispy pork belly. This was delicious. Right next to that is the Asian soup station. Lots of variety, flavorful broth with all the necessary toppings. You can't go wrong in this area at all. Now this section has a variety of different salads that you can choose from next to the smoothies. So colorful. We got the bread area next to the charcuterie. Cold meats with a handful of nuts and raisins and all the cheeses. Here we have yogurt parfaits with little acai bowls, super cute, perfect portions. Now we are in the Italian station with fresh made pizzas. Because we came in the daytime, they also had the egg and omelet bar at the station, which was convenient. Moving along to the Latin station, they had guacamole, different salsas, and dips for us. I also come to this section for the grilled peppers to eat with my food. So good. Look at that. So good. I love this station. More condiments with some ceviche. They also had some grits and oatmeal along with all of these delicious looking pancakes and waffles. Now going to the carving station with all their sauces. They have a huge variety of protein. There's lobster mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, corn hash, bacon, hash browns, literally everything that you could think of traditional American food. And the last section is the dessert area, which anything you can think of, it's there. Gelato, different cakes, different desserts, different fruits, everything. You can also make your own crepes. They do have a sugar-free section with 1 or 2 items, which is nice for an alternative.
Don't mind me, I'm just getting video. No worries, no worries. Don't mind me. I'm not here.
And then 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla, please.
We wanted to show you the whole buffet, but if you want to know how we kept it keto and low carb, check out our Instagram at the Ketobaes. I'll link it in the description below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Bacchanal Buffet. See you next time.
Okay, we're done. So full. Never eating again. We'll eat a couple more hours. We might go to block 16 for dessert. Oh, that's a good idea. When I say dessert, I mean another meal. Yes, another full meal.